I'm from Taste of Thailand, and today I'm gonna show you how to cook Thai jasmine rice. It's not hard, but a lot of people seem to have a problem with it. So there are two ways to cook rice: in a rice steamer or in a regular saucepan. But first, I'm gonna show you how to cook it in a rice steamer. Add the amount of rice that you want to cook. Remember, the rice will expand, so don't add too much. And now we can add water. Mix it all out with your hand and make sure no rice stuck to the bottom. Now I'm gonna level the rice. This is so important because we need to get the rice to water ratio correct. So to check how much water we need, I'm going to put my finger into the water until it touches the rice. The water should be about 1 inch or above your first knuckle. So we need a little bit more water. Check it again. Just a little tiny bit. So it should be perfect now. Just put the lid on and turn it on. Okay, it's just finished. So let's have a look. Yeah, that looks perfect. Now I know not everyone has a rice steamer, so I'm going to show you how to do it using a regular saucepan. It's not quite as easy, but if you follow this guide, eventually you will be cooking a perfect jasmine rice every time. First, we need to measure out the rice. At the general guide for jasmine rice, you need to double amounts of water. As I use 1 cup of rice, you need 2 cups of water. 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. So I'm gonna use 2 cups of rice. So I need 4 cups of water. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then use your hand to move the rice around. Put the lid back on and turn it on and bring it to the boil. When you see it boiling like this, just turn the heat down to low and leave it at least 10 minutes before you check it. Okay, it's been just over 10 minutes, so I'm gonna check it. Use a fork to check underneath. If it's still soggy, put it back on and leave it on for another few minutes. But this is okay now. So I'm gonna turn it off. It's better to leave the lid on for a few more minutes before you eating. It's been settling now for 2-3 minutes. So I'm gonna use a fork to check it again. As you can see, it's all perfect. So put the lid back on to keep it warm and then ready to eat. If you have any question, just leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.